Do you know what today is? It's Foundation Fridays. Hey. No? Yeah. Just keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Foundation Fridays. As I've already said, we are here with another foundation to review today. Before we get started though, I want to give you an update from last Friday. Last Friday we reviewed Maybelline FitMe foundation stick. Now in that video I gave it a thumbs up because the price and the shade and the way it looked on my face. However, I have to change what I said for that. Now I give it a thumbs down. After having it on all day, I mean, when I told you I felt like it was oily in my face, it really was. Like later on that day, my face was shiny, it felt oily. It just gave me a feel and a look that I just really did not want for my foundation, that my other foundations do not give. So definitely, I'm sorry, but that gets a thumbs down for me. So that's just me from my skin, and I guess it's because I already have oily skin. So if you don't already have oily skin, or maybe if you have dry skin, that might be the foundation for you, but it definitely was not for me. Moving on. Alrighty guys, I am really excited about the foundation for today because I have been dying to try this foundation. A lot of you know that I love their product. I use their setting powder, lipsticks, lip gloss, some of their eyeshadows, and I absolutely love it. So I decided to try the foundation, and I am talking about Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. I am really excited to try this. Now, it comes in a box like this. You can get it on Huda Beauty's website, or you can order it off of Ulta. You can order it off of Sephora. It costs about $40, so of course it's more on the more expensive end. So it's not a cheaper one like Maybelline. So Huda Beauty, just about their owner. The owner is Arabic. She's a blogger and a makeup artist. She has a wide variety of shades as well, which I really love. So for some people, I've heard some people say they don't like when foundations have a wide variety of shades because it makes it harder for them to choose. But I feel like everybody is different shades. I really feel like it's great to have a wide variety because you have to make sure your product is widely fit for a wide variety of people. So I think that's actually really good. Like I said, it cost about $40, and when you go to their website, I like that they had, they showed a picture of the different shades. They also had a description with it, and they also had a model show the different shades. So you can kind of look at a person and see if you're that complexion or if that would fit you, and it tells what that particular person is wearing, what shade they're wearing. So I got the color Mocha. It's 500G. And we're gonna just go ahead and open this up here. It still has the sticker on it, y'all. I haven't even opened this up. I ordered mine from Sephora. I didn't get it from the Huda Beauty website because, you know, I get points with Sephora, okay? And I had a little coupon and everything. Listen, I can't get the sticker off. My word. Oh, my word. Okay, so let's look and see how this is. This is so cute. I love the packaging. This is beautiful. This bottle is really cute. And I love that it's actually, it looks like glass, but I don't think it is glass though. It may be, but it's really thick. It actually feels like a thick plastic. And I love how it looks, really nice and sturdy. This is something that I would feel comfortable traveling with and it not breaking in my suitcase, which I've heard of things like that happening to people where they're traveling with their makeup and they have, like, you know, some makeups have the glass and then it breaks and stuff is ruined. But this seems really sturdy, really durable. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. So let's open this up here. Listen. Oh, you gotta pull it. I was trying to twist it. Yes, it has a pump. Y'all know I love a pump because I love when you can have a way to control the product. Anything that does not allow you to control the product is a big no-no for me because then you'll just end up wasting product. So it has a pump here. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. They do have a primer. However, I didn't get the primer. I probably should have just to see how everything works together. But yeah, I didn't get the primer. Maybe next time. But I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Not foundation, Lord help me. My Fenty Beauty primer. And as you can see, I have already done a little bit of makeup here. This is my lashes and little eyeshadow. Did my eyebrows. Make sure y'all check out my eyebrow tutorial if you want to know how I did my eyebrow. Now I would be comparing this foundation to, of course, I know this is not going to be along the lines of the Maybelline. Like, it's probably not even in the category. You know what I'm saying? I would probably be comparing this to my Fenty Beauty foundation to see how it is. They're both around about the same price. This is actually a little bit more expensive. I think I paid $35 for my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is $40. So we're going to be comparing to see which one I like better. Yeah, for that higher end makeup there, okay? So I put my primer on here, and we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just put some right here on the back of my hand. And this is supposed to be a full coverage foundation, by the way. It's supposed to be full coverage, so I had to pump it a couple of times to get it out. So I have it right here. I really think I did good with picking the shade, because this looks like, I think I should have shook it up first too. It doesn't say it to shake it, but I think I probably should have, just the way it looks right here. I don't know if y'all can see. I probably should have shook it up first, but I think it'll be fine. I think I did good with the shade because that looks kind of like how my Fenty looks when I put it on. But we want to see when I put it on, okay? Here goes. Okay, so here it is. I think this is a good shade. It does have a smell. It smells like some of my grandma's old perfume. Like, it has a really it's hard to even explain. It doesn't bother me. I've heard some people say that the smell bothers them. It doesn't bother me though. But yeah, I'm actually, listen y'all, I'm liking this. I like how it feels. I like the texture. And in comparison to my Juvia's Place that we did the first one, because that was the first one we did for Foundation Friday, and it was also a full coverage foundation. But the Juvia's Place had a thick, creamy consistency. This is full coverage as well, but it does not have that thick, creamy consistency like Juvia's Place. And I like that actually, because not having that thick consistency made it easier for me to blend in. Listen, I love this. I did really good with picking my shade. Wow, this is beautiful. Like I said, it does have a smell. It does have a smell to it. But I'm not bothered by that. Some people are, but I'm not sensitive to different smells or anything like that. But this is beautiful. I love this coverage. For me, I I love the shade for me. Again, this is Mocha. And if you were considering trying this foundation and you wanted to know if it was right for you, in Maybelline FitMe poreless matte, I am a 365, and in Fenty Beauty, I am a 420. So if you fall in that range with those foundations, make sure you get Mocha 500G. That's the one that I got. That's what this is. And wow, I really like this. Now, I'm not sure, so far, thumbs up for the packaging, thumbs up for the look and the shade. This is perfect for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set it. Now y'all know I have Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in the color Cinnabon. So we're gonna see how this all just flows together. Listen, I'm a fan. I am a fan, y'all. Oh my goodness, I love this. Yes, and y'all gonna see this in my makeup videos now, because I love this. Wow, this, I mean, it's just flawless. It's flawless. I don't see, I mean, it's definitely full coverage. It's smooth. It blends well. I mean, like I said, I did really great with the shade. So it's pretty true to what it says it is. And then putting that setting powder on top of it, this is beautiful. Okay. Listen, I told you I love Huda Beauty. Listen, I don't know what it is. It just, when I first got it, when we first met, you know what I'm saying? Something just happened. We just clicked. You know what I mean? I just knew it was a match. It was a match made in heaven. Listen, okay? I love this. This is beautiful. Listen, why not top it off with Huda Beauty? Okay. With some more, what is this? This is the, it says lip strobe. I've used this before, and this is called Angelic. I was gonna use a different look, but we're gonna try this. I have another one from Huda Beauty, but that has more of a pink tint to it. I'm gonna go for that. This is more of a go. See, you know what? And what I should have did, I had to line these lips with my brown lip liner. I just like lining my lips, y'all. Blend that in a little bit. Blend that in a little bit. This is cute. Listen. Listen, Huda Beauty, Faux Filter, Foundation, $40. Sephora, Ulta, I'm not sure how much it cost at Ulta, but it was $40 at Sephora. $40 on Huda Beauty's website. And this is in the color Mocha. Again, I love it. I topped it off with Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Cinnabon. Listen, y'all, I love it. Again, I went on my lips with Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the color Angelic. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this. I will definitely be using this. I'm actually out of my Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna be using this now. I probably will get me some more Fenty Beauty because I do love them now. I ain't got a problem with Fenty now. But this Huda is bomb. I love it. Listen. This is gorgeous. So listen, That's it for Foundation Friday. Make sure you tune in on Monday for Makeup Mondays. Thank you for tuning in to Foundation Fridays. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Thank you for tuning in. And baby, I love this. You can't tell me nothing. Thank you again for tuning in. And as always, until next time, y'all be safe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that are posted. See you next time.